Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Pitches. Now, if you're not familiar with Blue Sky Pitches, the way this works for us is that we are given a prompt and then we have to create a ride or an attraction surrounding said prompt. So the rumors of Dinoland going away has been kind of recirculated as Disney has filed a recent permit for temporary structures behind Dinoland USA, which also goes in tandem with the rumors that Dinoland will be getting a theme change from Dinoland USA to South America. The prompt for this week is, if Dinoland were to go through with that re-theme to South America, what attraction would I build there? For my Blue Sky pitch, I would like to see a Casita dark ride. More or less, this would use the exact same ride system and ride layout as Mystic Manor over at Hong Kong Disneyland. So the story for that would be Mirabelle would invite us to do an open house tour of Casita. Guests would hop into ride vehicles that Casita would magically create for us. We'd start off in Antonio's room. Now, Antonio's room is that very large room that has a tree in the very center and is filled full of animals. Something spooks the animals and they all escape. And then Antonio tasks us with basically retrieving his animals and making sure they're safe and bring them back to his room. We'll take a tour throughout the house and see rooms that were both seen in the film and rooms that weren't seen in the film. And this all culminates until we get to Bruno's room. The ride vehicles are encircling a Bruno animatronic, and Bruno is basically giving us a premonition of if we succeed or not in returning Antonio's animals to him. That culminates into a very quick blackout, and once the lights come back on, Bruno is standing back at the center of the room, but now with a green translucent tablet, which is our prophecy, and that's when the ride photo is taken. We escort all the animals now over to Antonio's room, and then we say goodbye to the wonderful Madrigals, and we exit the Casita. And that is my Blue Sky pitch for an Encanto-based attraction inside of Animal Kingdom.